positively do a subscription already, a premium subscription here on Telegram. I think it's just 5,000 naira. It's a monthly Desert subscription for monthly usage and yearly usage. So just do for monthly. All you need to do at this point, you click on setting here. Then you find Telegram Premium. You click on the Telegram Premium. So look at it. You can do it. So let me explain the benefit of doing this, guy. You need to start think like a business oriented person. This is basically where it does, and it will give you an opportunity to claim your coin. You be the part of those. You be the early bird to get your coin whenever you exchange of your choice. So this is my candid advice, not a financial advice. If you have 5,000 naira, do it and get your account on the premium level. That is how it is. If you find this video interested, consider subscribing for more videos. Thank you for watching.